Juniper Communities, a network of assisted living centers, needed to modernize its outdated analog communication system to improve resident safety and caregiver responsiveness. However, the customer felt trapped, thinking they had to rip and replace their existing and proven network infrastructure across multiple sites to support IP telephony due to traditional switch reach and cable-type limitations. The organization needed an innovative network solution to help them achieve the benefits of IP without high costs, complexity, or disruption to its residents. The systems integration partner, Telecom Express, introduced NVT Phybridge PoLRE PoE switch innovations to deliver power and data over the existing single-pair UTP infrastructure with up to 4 times the reach of standard switches. This enabled a fast, non-disruptive deployment of new poly IP phones across several locations without ripping and replacing infrastructure. The result? Faster response times, improved care, and a future-ready network without unnecessary costs and complexity. That's how Juniper Communities avoided the trap. Are you planning a digital transformation project? Let's work together to replicate this success. Book a meeting with us today or join our webinar to learn more about our special offers.